How to remove gray circle or dot on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to remove gray circle or dot on your Android device. So, watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. So simply when you tap on any place of your screen, then you'll be able to find out gray dots. To remove that, simply open settings on your device. Scroll down and when you scroll down, you'll find different bunch of option. Simply select additional settings. Scroll down. Open developer option by tapping on it. Scroll down and navigate to input section. So if the button is toggle on for show tabs, the tabs will be shown and the gray circle or dot will appear on your screen. So in order to remove that on your Android phone, simply toggle the button off. And once you do that, you won't be able to find out that gray circle or dots on your screen. So that is how we successfully remove the gray circle or dot on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.